welcome. Today guys, I'm going to share with you all a recipe for Lent, and this one is for seafood pouches. Now I'm using a combination or a variety of vegetables for this. You can use any type of vegetable you want. You want to make sure if you're using a vegetable, fish doesn't take really long to cook, so you would want to select vegetables that would cook the same time the fish and the shrimp would take to cook. So for this recipe, I have here some orzo, and I boiled the orzo shy of al dente because it's going to go into the oven and bake, and it will finish cook. Here I have some button mushrooms sliced, tomato chopped, parsley, red onion, or you can use white, cucumber, and I'm using cucumbers because I love the crunch of it, or you could use a Christophine or a chayote squash. Here I have salmon, I have shrimp, 2 bay leaves. The bay leaves are just going to give this a really nice flavor. Ginger and garlic fresh, some lemon pepper, some olive oil. I'm using some Chief brand chow seasoning for this, but if you can't find this, you can use your favorite Cajun seasoning or your favorite fish seasoning. In the back I have some paprika and some freshly crushed black pepper. And I also have half of a lemon. So let's get started on putting this together. So the first thing I'm going to do is squeeze the lemon into this big bowl. To the lemon, I'm going to go in with the black pepper, chow seasoning or Cajun seasoning or fish seasoning, lemon pepper, paprika, ginger and garlic, and now I'm going to go in with the olive oil. Now you'll notice I did not put any salt in this because that chow seasoning contains salt. So what you would do is you would taste this, and if it has enough salt, you don't have to add any. Especially if you're on a low sodium diet, don't add any. But if you need the additional salt, you can add some to this mixture. Okay, the next step is you're going to add all of the other ingredients to the sauce that you created or to the marinade. So in goes the shrimp, the salmon, chopped cucumbers, chopped tomatoes, onion, mushrooms, orzo. If you guys can't find orzo, you can use any type of small pasta, or you can even use rice for this. Brown rice goes really well with this. In goes that parsley and the 2 bay leaves. Next, you're just going to toss this to combine. When you're finished mixing everything together, you're going to put it into the pouches, and here I have foil paper, and I actually folded the foil paper 3 times just to make sure that this does not leak out. And you can make these pouches as big or as small as you like. Once you've divided the mixture into the pouches, now keep in mind when you're dividing the mixture, you want to divide it evenly. Like, you don't want all the mushrooms to go in one or all the shrimp to go in the other one. You want to try to distribute it as evenly as possible. So all you have to do next is close up your pouches. Now you can either store these in your refrigerator overnight if you're doing a make-ahead meal, or you can go ahead and pop them into your oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes. So I'm going to put these in the oven, and when it's finished, I'll show you guys what they look like. So guys, the pouches just came out of the oven. I'm just going to check them, make sure they're properly cooked, and I'm also going to give it a taste. It smells divine. Okay, I'm gonna give this a taste. It tastes really delicious. You guys are absolutely going to love this. I can't wait for you all to try it. So if you guys enjoyed today's recipe, please remember to give the video a thumbs up and to share it with your friends. If you're new to my channel and you like what you see, I hope you subscribe. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all another day with another one of my recipes. Enjoy!